Hi guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Getting a new iPhone 14 is always an exciting venture. Everybody loves getting their hands on their fresh, especially when it's an Apple product. And you don't want to get scammed and receive a fake or refurbished, right? In this video, we will show you 5 ways to check if iPhone 14 is original or refurbished. Method 1. Use Tenorshare iCareFone to test. One click and free. The simplest and most convenient method to check if the iPhone is original is with Tenorshare iCareFone, which has a nifty feature to perform an accessibility test on your device. First, download and install Tenorshare iCareFone in the description. Connect your iPhone to the PC. Tap Trust this computer when asked on your iPhone screen. Open iCareFone. On the homepage, we're gonna choose Test Report. And later you can see the test report of your device from iCareFone. From the report you can see result intuitively. If any part of your iPhone was replaced like battery or display, the report will tell you which is exactly a third-party hardware. Also, you can use the iPhone's model number to see if it's a real one. Go to your iPhone settings. General. About. The first letter of the model number indicates the source of your device. M means it is new from Apple Retail Store. N means it is a replacement device from Apple. It means that iPhone gives you a replacement device for your original device has some problems. The replacement device can be new and it also can be refurbished. P means it is a personalized device with engraving. F means it is a refurbished device. Beside. A common method is to check the service and support coverage with serial number. It's easy to find the number in settings. Go to General and About page. And here is the information about your iPhone and the serial number as well. Once you got the number, you can just go to Check Coverage, apple.com to check out the stat. Enter the serial number you just got and enter the code below. If the seller claimed the device is new and under warranty, by this way, you will find out that if it's true or not. Another solid solution to check iPhone original or fake is through checking its performance. You see, iPhones are some of the most powerful handheld devices on the market right now. Clones and fake iPhones don't have the same performance as real devices. Here's how to check the hardware of an iPhone. Open and try the camera. Check speakers by playing music. Check the microphone by recording a video. Record fork video and check battery drop. Check battery health and settings. If you have tried all the methods mentioned above and are still not satisfied, there's a last resort. You can go to an Apple store. Apple's repair technicians have specialized tools that they use to check whether an iPhone is original or fake. With their help, you will be able to find out the originality of your iPhone in no time. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Tenorshare channel. See you in the next one.